guys, welcome back to my channel. What I want to do today is I want to make a Kirkland's inspired piece of wall decor that is French country, would even work farmhouse or Tuscan. So let me show you what you'll need in case you want to make this project. Now you may have wood just around the house like we did. If you don't, you can use paint stir sticks, or you can wait until the quarantine is over and go get what you need. We didn't go anywhere. Okay, we just had some 3/4 inch birch just around the house. We didn't go anywhere. Like I said, or I think I said earlier, you can use paint stir sticks if you want to get the same effect. And I had my husband cut these, and I wanted the top and the bottom. I have one for the top and a piece for the bottom. The top and the bottom are 2.5 inches wide and then 16.5 inches long, because I want to make a rather large piece of decor. And then I have 2 for the sides, left and right, and the sides are 33.25 inches long and 2.5 inches wide. Now you could scale this down if you didn't want anything this big, and definitely use the paint stir sticks. But if you're going to go this large, you do need some wood, okay? And then you can use just a really good wood glue to put yours together. I can't believe, but we didn't have any just around the house, and I was not going to go out. Okay, so my husband just put ours together using a Kreg jig, okay? And I'm going to use these Kreg screws that are like 1 1/4 inch. We got these a long time ago for another project, and I don't remember what it was. I think we got them at Home Depot or Lowe's. And, but like I said, you can use wood glue. Then I had this around the house that I had another project. It's one of these Dollar Tree fences, okay? And so you'll need one. Now, like I said, I had used it for another project, and I had painted, I think you can see mine, they're really supposed to be black, but I had painted mine like bronze and gold and all those colors that I love, okay? Then you'll need a razor knife to literally cut these in 2, because I wanted to have a top and a bottom, or you can make 2 separate pieces as well. And they're really easy to cut into. You just cut down that middle, and I'll show you that in a minute. Then you're going to need some Waverly chalk paint in this hazelnut. I love hazelnut. And then I may incorporate some royal gold, metallic royal gold from FolkArt, and maybe some gold, FolkArt paint, and maybe some pure gold, okay? And then you're going to need a well-loved brush for dry brushing, maybe this for dry brushing, and then some foam brushes, okay? You can use the wide or you can use the narrow, okay? So I think that's all you're going to need. So let me put everything down and we'll get started. This is going to be a beautiful and very simple French country DIY. Okay, I'm just going to open this Waverly chalk paint, and you all have seen me do this so many times, and I'm just going to paint the top and the sides of this birch with this. And so for time purposes, I'm not going to show me paint all these pieces because I know you know what I'm doing, but it really just changes the color a little bit. And that's what I wanted, because I love the effect that this gives, okay? So I know it's probably almost impossible to see that, but that's what we're getting. So when I get these all painted, the tops and the sides, I'll be back. Okay, here's how it turned out. I just took a hairdryer to it, set on high warm, and it's all nice and dry. So now I'm going to go in, I think, with this royal gold from FolkArt, and it's metallic. I love this. I'm just going to put a little bit out on a paper plate, and I'm just going to go into this well-loved brush, and I'm just going to pounce it off. And I don't want to put a whole lot on here. I just want to add a little bit of depth to it. and it may be hard to see on this color. But in person, you really can see it. It really is standing out, okay? So I'm just gonna brush it, put a little bit more out. You could do this any color you wanted. Okay. And I'm going to come down around these sides. I want to pick it up on these sides and edges, because I really like that effect that it gives. And I may not use the other colors, but I definitely want to pick up these edges, sort of bring them to life. I know it's probably hard to see, but I want to get that effect down that edge, okay? So now all we have to do is just put the screws in this. Now you could, oh, you'll need a hot glue gun. I can't believe I didn't say that. Let me go get my hot glue gun and I'll be right back. Okay, I've just marked these, top, bottom, left and right, okay? And then all I'm going to do is take this screwdriver and take my screws and just start putting this in these little holes. Like I said, you definitely can use wood glue if you want. But this is so easy, and if you would see this out at Hobby Lobby, Michael's, Kirkland's, you pay a lot for something like this. Okay, I'm just getting that in, then I'm going to go around and snug them in. And I just have to put it in at an angle, but like I said, you definitely could do your wood glue. So I know you know what I'm doing, so for time purposes, I'll go ahead and put these screws in, snug them down, and then we will glue, hot glue, and I would use E6000 also, these in here. I'll be right back. Okay, here, this is the base. You can see it's really tall. I think it is going to be beautiful, and it goes together so nicely. Like I said, you can use the wood glue. Okay, now we're going to just take our glue gun. And if you're going to do this, I would definitely recommend that you use E6000 as well in combination. But let me show you how I cut this. Right down through here, when they're together, when it's one piece, I should have done this on camera. If you just take your razor knife and come straight down through there, you can cut that off. Now right down here, you might have to take a little bit of a plier and get that started because it's a little thicker, okay? And like I said, I painted that with different colors of paint to get what I wanted, okay? Then all we're going to do is just snug this in here and glue this. But I would definitely use E6000 in combination with hot glue to make sure I had a really good hold. I'm not going to, because who knows, I may want to do something else later, okay? Just going to put this right in here and snug it down, okay? That's all you have to do. It's that simple. Okay, we're going to do this one. And definitely around the bottom part. Okay. Okay, guys, here it is. It is so pretty. And if you had more of those little plastic fences from the Dollar Tree, you could actually put another one inside. You could do a lot of different things. This can go sideways. If you put it sideways, you really need to turn this the other way. like this. I love how this turned out. If you would see this at Kirkland's, Hobby Lobby, you would pay so much for it. So I'm really not sure where I'm going to put this. I may just stand it up against a wall so you can get a good look at it, because it really is tall. The overall size of the project is 38 1/4 inches tall by 16 1/2 inches wide, but it's so easy to do, and you can paint this so many different colors. But I also wanted to tell you that I was looking at my analytics the other day, and a lot of you that watch me aren't subscribed. I don't know if it's because probably 6 or 7 months ago YouTube did one of their dumps, and they dumped a lot of my subscribers, and it didn't just happen to me, it happened to a lot of people, and I've gotten a lot of them back that maybe you think you're subscribed and you're not. So check your subscribe button and make sure you're subscribed if you're supposed to be. If you're not, I really would appreciate it if you would subscribe, and stick around, because we are going to start doing some wonderful things if we ever get out of this quarantine. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys. Hey guys, I thought I'd give you an up close look at how it looks. I really think this gives a good feel for something that you would see in Kirkland's. But like I said, it's so large, I'm not sure where I'm going to put it, but I really do like how this turned out. So like I said, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.